Checking your account balance at Regions Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance information. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Regions Bank website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Accounts or Account Summary section on the dashboard. Click on it to view a list of your accounts. Step 3. Select your account. From the list of accounts displayed, select the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will take you to the account details page. Step 4. View your balance. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your online banking session. Click on the Log Out button to ensure your account remains secure. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance at Regions Bank. Regularly monitoring your balance helps you manage your finances effectively.